Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here headed into CVS to do another video for you guys. This video is mainly going to focus on baby items. We're going to get some baby clearance items just in case you guys have a baby shower coming up, or you might be having a baby yourself or someone in your family that you'd like to give something to or just resell. I'm mainly going to use the things for making baby baskets because I make a ton of those. So this is a good way for me to get things for my baby baskets that don't cost me anything, which will increase my profit. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscription button as well as the bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. And then like my video so that more people can see it and we can share what we're doing over here at Nicole is Making It Happen. So guys, let's get ready to save. Alrighty guys, so you see I'm here in the Hallmark section. I have a $3 off four items of Hallmark CRT. So as always, I'm going to grab some of these bags. They are 49 cents a piece. Let me see if I can show this to you, if the price is even on here. Yeah, they're 49 cents a piece. They have red, a royal blue, a pink, and like a powder blue or whatever. So I'm grabbing 8 of those. So those will be absolutely free. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Hallmark CRT, you can get anything that is marked Hallmark. Even though the CRT says cars, it does attach to anything that says Hallmark. So I use these, and I use them for like little gift bags and thank you bags for my customers and things like that. So you can see I grabbed 6 of them. And even though it says 4, you can still get 6 because I want to maximize the CRT. Okay guys, so the next CRT that we're going to use is going to be a $3 off CVS baby CRT. Now that CRT you can use for anything that's CVS baby. Now as you guys know, I normally get the CVS wipes, and that's what I'm probably going to do. But I just want to show you that it does attach to something else. So they have these diapers on clearance. They're CVS brand baby diapers, and it's only the size 3. You get 54 in a pack. They are 75% off. So you can see they're regularly $15.49, but they're on clearance for $3.87. So if you have that $3 off CVS baby CRT, it does attach to this. So here, I just want to show you that it does attach. So remember, it's only the size 3 that is on clearance. Now, I'm going to get these diapers, but I'm not going to get them on this account. With that $3 off CVS baby CRT, I'm going my way that I always go. And I'm going to get these baby wipes. They're $3.49. So I'm going to have to pay the 49 cents, which I'm fine with because I love these wipes. And so my customers love them too. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these shea butter wipes. So we're going to pay 49 cents for those, but we're okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to get these diapers. I'm going to get 3 packs. Remember, only the size 3 are on clearance. They're on clearance for $3.87. I'm grabbing 3 packs because I have a $3 off 10 live or live, however you say that, baby CRT. So that's going to take $3 off. But then we're going to round each one of those packs up to $4. So that'll be $12. Minus the $3 is going to be $9. But then I have 2 $3.50 courtesy coupons that I got from finding expired cereal. I'm going to use that. So that's another $7 off. So that'll be like $2 for these 3 packs of white baby Pampers. Now, remember, guys, if you don't want to use these because they're off brand, then that's okay. Donate them to a women's shelter, to a daycare or somewhere, or keep them around for when you run out of diapers. But to get 100 and what, that's 150, to get 162 diapers for $2 is an excellent deal. So I can't pass this up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab. All right, so guys, CVS has a ton of baby items that are on clearance, and I'm going to grab some because I'm always making baskets for my for baby showers and things like that. So I'm gonna grab these bottles. They have the newbie or nubby, I don't know how you say that, clear baby bottles. They're 75% off. They're regularly $2.39. They come down to 59 cents. And as you can see, they have all different designs. So, you know, I'm grabbing all of these for 59 cents. Now, some other things that they have on clearance, I'm not going to get these yet because they're only 10% off. But they have the Advent, what are those? Ultra Air, I don't even know what they are, pacifiers. And then they have the Nook ones. Those are 25% off. They have this CVS underarm digital thermometer for the kids. That's 75% off. It's $3.74. I might get that. I'll think about that one. But that's a good price too. And then they have a bunch of Huggies that are on clearance. I'm not sure if I'm going to get these yet. They're only at 30%. So I think I'm going to hold off on them. And they also have some Pampers. I'm going to scan these because some of the stores that I was in said that they were 30% off. So we'll see about those. Just a heads up, guys. Those Nook baby bottles are actually attaching to the $3 off CVS Health Brand Baby Care CRT. Now, I don't know if it'll attach at the register or not. And I won't be able to tell because I'm actually getting another product with that. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Okay, guys. So this is the transaction I'm going to do. I'm going to get the baby wipes, the 6 Hallmark bags, and the bottles. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 9 of the baby bottles. And I'll show you the receipt when I'm done. Okay, guys. So it's actually 10 baby bottles that I'm getting. I found another one at the bottom of my cart. Alrighty, guys. So here's my receipts for all those bottles, the Hallmark cards, well, the Hallmark bags, and the baby wipes. So here you see all of those designs, all those nubby clear bottles were all on clearance for 54 cents. All 10 of those. Then here are the CVS baby wipes for $3.34 or $3.49. There's all of the Hallmark bags for 49 cents. And then there you see my $3 off CVS baby CRT came off. The $3 off 4 Hallmark cards reduced down to $2.94 because CVS does not give overage. Then I used a $5 extra buck to pay for all of those baby bottles. And then I used 74 cents in extra bucks. So that left me paying 65 cents out of pocket. And again, there were no extra bucks or anything back for these deals. These were just good deals that I wanted to get and some CRTs that I wanted to use. I did get a 10 off of 70 for my next purchase that I'm going to use to do my big haul, to do the spend 45 and get $15 back in bonus cash. Okay, guys, so here's the next transaction we're going to do, which are the baby diapers. So I'll be back with my receipt. Okay, guys, so before we go over this receipt, let me just say that I goofed up and I was only able to get 2 packages of diapers. I could have gotten the 3 if I wanted to pay for them, but I put in the wrong account number. So on that account, it didn't have the $3 off 10 live diapers. So I only got 2, which my 2 courtesy coupons paid for. So here you see the diapers were on clearance. And then I used the 2 $3.50 courtesy coupons. And I paid 74 cents out of pocket for those 2 things of diapers. So don't make the mistake that I made by putting in the wrong phone number. And we couldn't understand why it wasn't attaching. But then when it brought up my email address, I seen that it was the wrong account. But, you know, with couponing, you win some, you lose some. I really didn't lose because I only paid 74 cents for 2 packs of diapers. That's what, 108 diapers. And those courtesy coupons, it's not like I spent anything to get those. That was free money. So these are really free diapers for me. I just spent 74 cents, which is nothing. But no matter how long you've been couponing, you will make a mistake. And if someone tells you they never mess up, they are not telling the truth. So that is how that deal went. So this is what my haul ended up being. I ended up getting 10 of the baby bottles, a pack of baby wipes, 2 packs of diapers, and 8 Hallmark bags. So guys, look through your CRT, see what you can match up with your finds. You could even do something like getting the baby bottles and the Pampers and the wipes and things. If you have like a 5 off of 25 baby CRT, doesn't necessarily have to be CVS. It could just say baby CRT or baby care, because that will bring your out-of-pocket much lower too. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you're able to find some of these clearance deals. Let me know what you found. Maybe your store has something different, because I know all stores are different. And until the next time, keep on saving.